proud of Alexi. She's very competitive. She's in her best fighting form. And I'm really praying, actually talking to the people behind Miss Iloilo kay successful gid ila nga training, you know, ang ila nga support kay Alexi. Kag they had the right winner gid for that night. Kay she really has a good chance of winning Miss Universe Philippines. Baskog si Alexi.
So Miss Universe Philippines yan talagang journey, hindi pa kami nakapag-usap. But before joining Miss Iloilo, I already gave her some advice. Yun nga, I think she checks all the boxes. She's a great speaker. Maganda yung mukha, ang ganda ng katawan, she's athletic. And yung pinaka-importante doon is her smoking. And sa pagiging isang beauty queen, importante talaga that people can relate to you. Kasi yun yung magiging influence mo sa kanila. So yung kwento niya, it's very powerful. I'm sure maraming nakakalit. So my advice to her, she's on the right track. Kasi she's well supported by Iloilo in all aspects. Kaya napaka-swerte, napaka-bless ni Alexi. And I hope she makes it. Pero at the end of the day,